Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some cute and aesthetic stickers that are super easy to make, and I had so much fun filming this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get right into it. The first thing we're going to do is look up the stickers we want to use. So I just went on Google and typed in Redbubble stickers, and all these cute images popped up. And so basically what you want to do is, once you find your image, you want to click on it and then press on the picture, and when Add to Photos pops up, just click on Add to Photos and it'll automatically save to your camera roll, which is pretty amazing. Guys, dogs are absolutely so cute. I just love them. Aren't they so cute? Comment down below if you have any dogs or any pets. To make these adorable stickers, you're going to need some parchment paper, and you're going to start off by getting some clear tape and then just placing it down on the parchment paper, sticky side down, and you want to make sure it's the length of your sticker so it can all fit. Once you've placed your tape and arranged your images, you're going to grab some more tape to place over the pictures, and also make sure you cover the previous tape you put so it makes a perfect sticker. Okay, so now it's time to cut the sticker out, and when cutting the sticker, you want to make sure that you don't cut too close to the image. You want to make sure you get some tape in so it makes a sticker. Now that you've cut up your sticker, it's time to peel it, and you're basically done. So now you can just stick it anywhere you want, like your laptop, your hydro flask, your wall. Just do whatever you want with the stickers and make it cute and be unique. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I really hope you enjoy it and make these awesome cute stickers. Also, if you enjoy my videos, make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 300 subscribers, which is crazy. And thank you guys so much. Love you guys.